Hi friends, I am Jagraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see Tally new setup, how to download latest release. Whoever new user is there, first time they are going to install they need to download Tally latest release from the website. And whoever existing user, they are using older version, they have to download latest version from the website. After downloading, you need to know the installation procedure and license activation procedure. Let's see in practically. First, open website tallysolutions.com. There is an option called download. Click on download. There you can see latest release available. If you click on install now, directly you can install it. Or if you want to download now, then install it later, the second option you need to click. I am clicked on install now. Once click on startup, the installation process started. Now it is asking which drive you want to install it. So by default it is selected C drive. So we need to change it to C drive to different drive. So we are selecting here E drive. Then you need to create a folder name. So which folder you need to install it. What is the folder name should be. Then once click on advanced, it will ask you so data path. There you need to update so exact data path where exactly you want to save the data folder, the same drive or different drive. Once click on install, installation process started. So initially start download process. Next installation process will start. So once completed installation process, it will show you message. You have successfully installed Tally.ERP9. Then click on done option. Now installation process started. System securities windows will ask, you need to click on allow access option in this screen. Once click on allow access, that startup menu will open. There it will ask you to activate license, reactivate license, or get your rental license, configure existing license, and work in education mode also you can click on it if you want to use it education purpose. Now click on activate license. It is asking to restart your application by logging administrator rights. Click on restart yes. Now this process started. It will ask you Tally serial number, activation key number, and mail ID. Here we need to update Tally serial number, which serial number you receive. That serial number you need to update, and activation key number, that will be alphanumerical code will be there. You need to update here. Update your mail ID and confirm the same. Click on enter. Now it will be processed. It will show you one message. The unlock key is sent to your mail ID. You need to update your unlock key. Once update unlock key, it will show you the message. Congratulations, your license is successfully activated. This message you will get in Tally screen. Once click on enter, it will open company info screen. There you need to create a company. You need to maintain accounts. In this session we have covered how to download latest release from the website, how to install Tally application, and how to activate the license. If you want to use for education purpose after installation, then the activation screen itself you need to click on work in education mode. You can able to pause the transaction, but there is a date restriction given. It will allow to pause the transaction first and second and 31st. Those 3 dates only you can able to pause the transaction. I hope you understood the process and like this video. Share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel, click on notification bell. Don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned, every day something new to learn.